Hello, I'm in a 2002 Honda CR-V and I'm going to show you how to open the hood. So we'll come up here and you should see a lever like this with a little tension you pull. Here, pop. And so that released the safety. If there's no tension at all on this, you'll want to try to look underneath if you can. See if it's just broken loose. If you have to, you might have to go inside the plastic. There should be some like cables there that would be maybe loose. Maybe there's a way to reattach them and tighten it. But this one pops. We'll go up to the front now. You can see after the release was pulled, this is now loose. So we'll go through, and right around the middle here, there's a lever that you'll kind of push this way and then pull up. Slightly heavy hood, not too bad though, but it hooks onto this from here, and that lever I mentioned, it goes like this. So if you're having issues with this part, there's a chance maybe your hood's not aligned quite straight, or this is a little off center, so you adjust that if you can. Maybe spray some WD-40, get any debris cleaned out if there's something stuck in there. But that's it. Hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.